Hi everyone, I'm going to show you today how are you gonna open and prepare a Gypsophilia or a million star bunch of flowers. Okay, the first thing that you have to do is remove the band, this one, just cut it, take the plastic sleeve and cut all the way. The thing that you don't have to do is try to separate the stems while they are in the box or lie down. You have to put in this way and shake a little bit softly, and upside down you're going to start to separating the stems without any consequences, because if you do it this way, it's so heavy, the head of the flower, that you're going to break all the stems. So also they can tingle it. So you have to separate softly to avoid any conflict or to break any flowers, because you are gonna need all of them. Okay, I have 2 stems, 3, 4. I'm better put something on the table because they're gonna have a lot of the flowers coming down. They're gonna spread a lot of small flowers on the table. It's gonna be like a messy, so be patient, and by one by one you're gonna start to separate the stems. You know. Yeah. And the last one. They don't want to. Okay, that's it. You didn't break any part of the stems. Perfect. Thank you.